Greetings future aviation engineers. In this video, we will learn about EASA knowledge levels. Knowing the knowledge level for every topic in a module gives you the edge and a better chance of getting a high score in your EASA examinations. The knowledge level dictates the level of detail that topic is covered. This also helps the examiner formulate the questions. Understanding the knowledge levels is a crucial step when preparing for any EASA Part-66 module examination. Let's jump right into it. Knowledge levels are defined in Annex 3 of Part-66. There are 3 knowledge levels. Level 1 requires familiarization with the principal elements of the subject. Here are the objectives of a Level 1 topic. The applicant should be familiar with the basic elements of the subject. The applicant should be able to give a simple description of the whole subject, using common words and examples. The applicant should be able to use typical terms. Consider these examples from Module 2.1, Matter, which is a knowledge level 1. What dictates the atomic mass of an element? What do you call the phase change process from liquid to gas? What is the charge of the nucleus? You'll notice that Level 1 question is on basic terms, covering basic definitions of the topic. A Level 1 may ask for a formula, but not its use. The key to succeeding a Level 1 question is through memorization. Now, let's consider Level 2. Level 2 covers the general knowledge of the theoretical and practical aspects of the subject, and an ability to apply that knowledge. This level requires more than memorization of the concepts. It requires understanding and practical use of the concepts. If a topic covers formulas, you are expected to know how to use them. In addition to the requirements mentioned in Level 1, Level 2 further requires the following. Use mathematical formulae, in conjunction with physical laws, describing the subject. Read and understand sketches, drawings, and schematics describing the subject, and apply knowledge in a practical manner, using detailed procedure. We'll use Module 2.2.1, Physics, Statics for the examples. What is the force required to accelerate a 250 kg object by 5 meters per second squared? Compute for the strain caused by tensile force on a 3 meters metal rod if the metal rod is stretched by 3.015 meters after applying 500 Newton force. Finally, we have Level 3. Level 3 requires a detailed knowledge of the theoretical and practical aspects of the subject, and a capacity to combine and apply the separate elements of knowledge in a logical and comprehensive manner. In addition to the objectives mentioned in Level 1 and Level 2, Level 3 further requires that the applicant know the theory of the subject and interrelationships with other subjects. The applicant should be able to give a detailed description of the subject, using theoretical fundamentals and specific examples. The applicant should be able to interpret results from various sources and measurements and apply corrective action where appropriate. For a Level 3, we will consider Module 7.1 and Module 6 as examples. In the shop, you saw your classmate lying on the floor, unconscious, holding an electrical drill. What should you do first? You are joining 2 aluminum sheets using Crest fastener. You missed using sealant. What is likely to happen? As you note here, a Level 3 requires the participant to analyze the details provided and gauge it using the concepts learned from the topic to come up with a solution or a possible outcome given a situation. Hopefully, you've learned something from this video and gained a better understanding to how to prepare for those EASA module exams.